threat messages issued by Prajwal Revanna. And ladies and gentlemen, I have no guest on this. As a woman, I'm going to read out certain shocking revelations. Please, this is like it. Former JDS MP and scion of the Devegowda family, Prajwal Revanna, as you well know, is currently under judicial custody at Parappana Agrahara jail, even as a special investigation team is probing 4 separate cases against him. Every charge sheet so far has revealed shocking details of how much of a sexual predator this 34-year-old Prajwal Revanna is. Today, I'm going to speak about the third charge sheet and would like to credit South First for such an elaborate narrative. This actually reads like a chapter from a pulp novel, from a crime novel. Now, in its third charge sheet, Karnataka's Special Investigation Team revealed that Prajwal Revanna allegedly subjected a former JDS Zilla Panchayat member in Hassan, which happens to be his constituency, it used to be, and also happens to be the woman's constituency, to sexually assault her for 3 consecutive years. 3 years! This charge sheet, which runs into 1,691 pages, has testimonies from 120 witnesses following a complaint by the JDS's former Zilla Panchayat member, which she filed on 13th of September 2024. Now, let's take a look at the horrifying revelations in the charge sheet. On your screens right now, Prajwal Revanna reportedly raped his own party leader, the then Zilla Panchayat member, at his official residence, mind you, in Hassan. Now, at the time, Prajwal Revanna, who was MP of Hassan, was using the MP quarters, which had been allotted to his grandfather and the former Prime Minister, Shri H.D. Devegowda. Shocking? More shockers coming in. The survivor between January and February 2020 had met Prajwal to request for hostel seats for some of the students. So that was the reason for the meeting. Now, during the meeting, when the survivor was the only one left, Prajwal allegedly would grab her hands and drag her into a room. What audacity, won't you agree? Inside the room, the alleged accused Prajwal Revanna also proceeded to threaten her, saying that he was in possession of a gun and would kill her husband if she did not undress. How shameful is that? Prajwal allegedly also recorded a video insisting she keeps a smile on her face even as he continued to violate her. I mean, clearly a psycho. Now, 2 days after the first assault at his official residence, Prajwal allegedly telephoned the survivor saying that the video had not been deleted. Blackmail. He apparently threatened her as follows: "If you do not come to the NP quarters in 5 minutes, I will leak the video. It is only your face that is visible and not mine in the video." Blackmail once again. Without the survivor's consent or knowledge, this man took screenshots and recorded video calls with the woman's Zilla Parishad member. He used phone numbers registered under his social media staff to make these calls. You know what is worse? Prajwal invited the woman to his father and MLA H.D. Revanna's residence in Hole Narsipura and sexually violated her for the umpteenth time. Did you see that it has criminal intimidation? It has blackmail. Of course, it is about power. It is about a powerful man using all the powers that he has to exploit someone who is a helpless Zilla Panchayat member, that woman. Also, he happened to be threatening her at all times. Imagine someone is following you all the time, mentally and physically. Imagine to be at the beck and call of a predator who is the most powerful politician in your constituency and also, of course, with a great legacy. Imagine sitting at a family function and being summoned by the man day in and day out only to be violated. Now, if this is not pure evil, then what is? And today, we have the Gowda family wanting us all to move on and forget what they think is an aberration. Seriously? H.D. Kumaraswamy may be a minister in Delhi. Devegowda, of course, is a much respected former prime minister. But the stink that Prajwal has raised has risen up for all of us to actually retch collectively. Think about it.